e-commerce is used. Your first chapter talks about what is marketing, right? Marketing is using 4 P's to reach the customer. So we're trying to solve customers' needs, wants through marketing. But what happens if there is no shops? What happens if there is no restaurants? What happens if physical contact is not permitted? Then the only way to reach to the customer is through digital marketing. Only digital companies can reach the people. Let me give you an example of, as I told you, of Jeff Bezos. He has become a billionaire, right? He is the world's richest man, and he might end up becoming a trillionaire because a trillionaire, now trillion, you must have heard of billion, but trillion, I don't know how many zeros are there. I have to check myself, but it seems by the next 10 years, to be precise, 2026, 28, he will be a trillionaire, and $1 trillion is a huge amount of money. So what has internet made is it has made him rich. And when you talk about e-commerce models, using mobiles, using apps, we are able to order products, we are able to order food through Swiggy, right? And first chapter also teaches you about pure play companies which use internet. That is, you're talking about e-commerce reaching to customers through apps, or you have companies like Amazon, Flipkart, which give a range of products to customers using their networks. So there are a lot of ways to reach customers today. Customers today are not alone, and there are companies which have to reach customers through a lot of ways. So that's what you should study in the first chapter. You should also study about payment gateways. Now, what are payment gateways is? Payment gateways are methods to reach to customers. You can use internet banking, you can use credit cards, you can use debit cards, a lot of things you can use to reach to customers. And through these means, you are in a better position to reach to customers. Customers have a lot of happiness in reaching the individual. Customers have a lot of happiness because of these payment gateways. I just need to, let's say I want to order food products from my home. I can just call the supermarket or department store, and he gives me the product. Let's say I want to order something from a shop like something like a Big Bazaar, right? So the Big Bazaar delivery boy, he comes to my home. I swipe my card, I pay the money to him, and he is in a position to collect my payment, and he goes back with the money. Both of us are happy because he's happy because I've done a big order through home delivery, and I'm also happy that he has come to my home and I didn't have to step out of my home. So both parties are benefited. But what is payment gateway? That's a problem. That's a question. Now I can pay to him through my debit card. I can pay to him through my credit card. If he's ready, I can, transfer an NEFT to their bank account. So this can happen in a fraction of seconds with my mobile. With my laptop, I can do this job in a fraction of seconds, and there is no touching. Diseases spread through touching, they say. So in this scenario, I'm not touching this person, he's not touching me, but still diseases can spread. So what happens because of digital marketing is that I cannot contract an ailment or disease by going directly to the restaurant or to the shops. All right, and I can protect myself through digital marketing, but digital marketing has a lot of disadvantages. Maybe my card number can be stolen, maybe my credit card details can be stolen, maybe the machine which he has shown me to swipe can be, having some issues through which the product can be stolen. Let me come to the definition of digital marketing, right? Do you have a notebook and a pen? Maybe you can write the definition. Yeah, so first definition is what is digital marketing. In digital marketing, we are using internet, mobile, and social media, search engine, and other channels to reach to the customers. So this is what we are doing. We are using different methods to reach to customers. We are using Facebook, we are using Instagram, we are using YouTube, we are using Google search engines, and all through all this digital marketing works, right? Your second chapter is about Bangalore University. Second chapter is about types of digital marketing research. How can I do research? I can do research through online service. I can do research through Google Forms. I can do research through blogs and a lot of things I can do research. There's a lot of, let's say you want to do research on this subject. You want to know who has published material onto digital marketing. You can look into blogs written by people who are digital marketing experts, right? You can also, we do research. These are some of the topics. The other topics is you study about internet usage patterns. We study about how many hours a person spends